Today we are going to show you how to check for frozen product. You have a couple bin sizes here for today's demonstration, 55-gallon drum and a tote of liquid adhesive. The process I'm going to go through is if and when you do check for frozen material when receiving it into the warehouse. For the drum, what we're going to do is take off the ring and the lid to fully expose the product so we can test accordingly. And you're going to take a clean dowel or broom handle. These dowels you can pick up at any hardware store for a couple dollars a piece. Grab yourself a half a dozen. You do check other types of products. You don't want to cross-contaminate if all possible. Take your dowel and insert it into the drum, going all the way to the bottom to where you can feel, at which time you're going to, like you're mixing it, but you're going to check the bottom of the drum around the ring size, which is here. This is where most of the material starts to cure or start freezing due to the metal ring. This is where you're going to want to test for product. Visual inspections, you can also look for any ice crystals, lumping, clumping, anything to that nature as well. And once you're done checking the product, you take yourself a clean rag and just wipe off the dowel. Again, make sure you're using a clean dowel per product. No cross-contamination. From here, we're going to check the tote bin. On the tote bin, what you're going to do is the same thing. Take off your lid here. Take your dowel or broomstick, and you're going to insert it into the tote. Again, going all the way to the bottom. And on a tote bin, you're going to want to check your four corners, one on each side, as well as your spigot area here, where frozen material also likes to occur as well. Again, check all your four corners for any frozen material. If it is frozen, you will feel condensity, solids in the bottom of your drum or tote. Again, take a clean rag, wipe it off. Making sure all is clear. After checking the product, if you do see or find that it is not frozen, you may go ahead and sign the bill using the words "upon further inspections," just in case there's any hidden damages that you didn't see at the time of release of the paperwork. If there is any damages, please refuse the shipment. Make notations on the bill of lading as well as the packing slip and notify your supervisor or anybody in the operations department. Again, please make sure all notations are made accordingly. Thank you and have a great day.